Hi, my name's Sylvie, and this is a short video to show you how MyHR makes managing payroll and leave easy. We've built an all-in-one leave and payroll platform, integrating with best-in-class payroll providers, or use MyHR Payroll for an end-to-end solution. With intuitive dashboard displays for easy leave management, you can save time and admin by automating manual processes, and keep your employees connected through our employee self-service. Let's get started. To manage integrations within your MyHR account, go to the top of the screen and click on the company name, and then click on Manage Integrations. This screen shows you the integrations that you currently have on the right-hand side. To see what other integrations are available for you, click Add Item on the left-hand side. To manage your employees within your payroll integration, click on the integration link. You can view all employees and the integration status on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side you can filter by status. For example, to see who needs to be set up within the integration. To view and manage important dates and employee leave requests, click on My Calendar at the top of the screen. This is where reminders for important dates are stored. Public holidays, birthdays, visa and fixed-term employment expiry dates, as well as leave requests, which have been approved or are waiting for a response. Employees also have a more restricted view in their self-service access, which is where they can apply for and change leave requests. To view leave requests from your team, go back to the Launchpad and then click on Leave on the right-hand side. This will show you the leave requests from your team which need your attention. To approve or decline the leave, click on the link and then choose your action. We're always adding new features and functions to the MyHR platform to make life easier for our clients. If you have any questions, as always, we're here to help.